Hello students, welcome to video class. It's biology for class 8. In biology, crop production and management chapter is going on. In this chapter, lastly I discussed the two methods of sowing seeds and growing crops by the method of transplantation. Right? I also discussed the advantages and disadvantages of broadcasting method and seed drill method for sowing seeds. Today, I will discuss about manures. Right? Manures. What are manures? Manures are commonly called organic fertilizers. Organic fertilizers means fertilizers made by organic matters. Organic matters comes from living organisms, say plants and animals. The dead plant parts, say leaves, stalk of plant, dungs of animals excreta. These are organic matters produced by plants and animals. On decomposition of these organic matters, manures are organic fertilizers formed by decomposition of organic wastes coming from plants and animals. Well, there are three main types of manures, three common types of manures: compost, vermicompost and FYM, farm yard manure. Compost. Let's discuss one by one the different types of manures. Compost. What is it? Compost is manure formed by decomposition of dead plant parts and animal stuff. Decomposition of dead parts of plants, say leaves, stalk of plants, right? And animal stuff, say cow dung, right? Decomposition of these organic matter gives compost. The process of making compost called composting. We can make compost at our house, right? How compost is made? A pit is made in the earth, right? A small pit is made in the earth, and in that pit, all the plant waste, say dried leaves, straw, right? Straw is left behind. Straw which we supply as fooders of animal, right? A fraction of it left behind there as waste product, and also the stalk of plants, right? These are agricultural wastes are put into the pit. Also dung of animal, cow dung, right? And dung of other animals are put into it, right? These materials are filled layer by layer, right? When the pit is filled completely, it is covered and left for few months, say 2 to 3 months. It is the organic wastes are left there inside the pit. Bacteria and fungi, bacteria mainly grow in the organic waste, decompose the complex organic matter, right? Convert them into simple compound, right? After decomposition, right, the organic matter, the waste product, waste material decreases in volume, right? The volume is reduced a little, and what left behind after decomposition for 2 to 3 months is a manure called compost. Right? This is how compost is made. using plant waste and cow. Here, compost is very common type of manure used by farmers for enrichment also. Next, vermicompost. Vermicompost is prepared by rearing and killing of red worm. In a pit, red worms are reared, right? When they grow in number, right? They are killed using chemical substance, right? And left there. The dead red worm get mixed with soil. They undergo decomposition, and the soil mixed with dead decomposed red worm become manure. This manure called vermicompost. Next is FYM, farmyard manure. Sometimes waste products collected at our houses, right? Okay, at farmhouses are collected in the form of heap on the surface, right? That waste product, the heap of waste product decomposed by bacteria, right? After decomposition become manure. It is called farmyard manure. These three kinds of manures often usually used by farmers to make the soil rich with nutrients. Manure can be added any time in the crop field when it does not contain any crop or when it contains crop. When crops are growing in the field or no any crops growing in the field, manures can be added any time and in any quantity. Manure supply all different types of various types of nutrients to soil, but in a small amount, in a small quantity. Okay. In next day, I will discuss fertilizers. That's it.